Ring, ring, ring. Y'all, sorry that I'm only showing this, but I was like, I can't let this happen again where I don't document the food I cook like I did last week. So we're gonna start from the food already being cut and peeled and stuff like that. So we got some chicken over here, and we're going to roast. Okay? So here's the chicken. It's gonna look brown. Don't be sure, don't worry. It's gonna be beautiful when it gets out. Then we got a whole bunch of vegetables here. We got some potatoes, carrots, onions, and peppers. So just give that a rub for the last time, and then we're gonna insert into the oven. So it's been preheated to 220 degrees Celsius. So you just even this out. I'm gonna start with the veggies. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, sugar. Let me wash my hands. You see the chicken going in now. So the chicken is stuffed with some onions and lemon. It's gonna be, oh, the smell already is delicious. Why is everything falling apart? Again. Go into chiles. Okay, but it's not bad. So now we're gonna wait for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, change the temperature for another 15 minutes. We're gonna put it in for, I think, 150. Yeah, to finish up properly cooking now. So let me wash my hands because I'm gonna switch up the camera. So be back in 30 minutes. How am I supposed to do? How the hell am I gonna hold this chicken? It's gonna be hot as hell. Let's start with the veggies. Right. god! That's the burn from earlier. Oh my god. Get my gun back. Mm. Albo soluce lan. Şöyle lan. Love the color. Exhale.
Now we're just transferring the stuff into the other bowl or plate, whatever this is, tray.
So now we lower the temperature and then fire that meat back. You miss me putting it back. Oh my god. Well, it's back inside, so you'll see it when it come out. Look at it, she sweet. Like I just had to leave it. It looks so good. I'm going to cut it